In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add diamond zoom and halo blur effects in CapCut. These two effects work beautifully together. Diamond zoom creates a dynamic, center-focused pop, while halo blur adds a soft glow and blur that helps your subject stand out. Let's walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your own device. Start by opening CapCut and importing your video into a new project. Give the clip a second to load so the preview plays smoothly. Make sure the video is selected on the timeline. You'll know it's selected when you see the clip highlighted. This ensures any changes you make apply to the right clip. Next, open the video effects section. This is where CapCut keeps all the stylized effects you can layer onto your footage. Use the search bar and type diamond zoom. When you see it, select it to apply it to your clip. CapCut will drop the effect onto your timeline so you can preview it immediately. Now, adjust the diamond zoom so it complements your footage. Use the on-screen sliders and options to control how strong the zoom feels, how quickly it punches in, and how smooth the motion looks. If your subject is off-center, try nudging the effect center so it pulls attention to the right spot. Play the preview and fine-tune until the zoom feels energetic but not jarring. Small adjustments go a long way, so nudge settings gradually and keep checking your playback to make sure the movement suits your clip's pacing. When you're happy with diamond zoom, tap the video again to keep it selected and return to the effects area. Search for halo blur and select it to apply. This effect adds a gentle glow and a soft blur around your subject, which pairs nicely with the punchy zoom you just set up. Adjust the halo blur so it enhances rather than overwhelms. Dial in the blur strength to soften the background without smearing important details. If there's a glow or intensity control, bring it up just enough to create separation between your subject and the background. Preview as you tweak so the halo feels natural and doesn't wash out faces or text in the frame. If the blur looks too heavy during fast motion, reduce its strength slightly for a cleaner look. Give everything one last playback from the start to confirm both effects blend smoothly. That's all you need to add diamond zoom and halo blur in CapCut. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, your video will have more depth, focus, and visual energy.